Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are good and fine. Today we are going to commence our online class. Let's start it.
Let's count backwards from 10 together.
Okay.
Repeat after me. 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
You're doing great. Let's count down again. 10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
The astronauts need our help. Can you? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Great job!